Oh, back like I never left. What's up, everyone? Now, today we have the Skullcandy Method 360 noise canceling earbuds. Now, these are sound by Bose, so it seems like a collab between Skullcandy and Bose. So I'm very excited about these ones. So we're gonna break down everything these have to offer and my experience later in the video. So let's get right into it. When it comes to the price for the Method 360s, you're gonna be looking at $130 for regular price. But when I was getting this ready, I seen it was $100 on sale. So you can definitely check for sales with these as well. There is 5 different color options for you to choose from. Also, I put the link down in the description below so you guys can click that and see the current price and see the colors. And when you guys use that link, it makes Amazon have to pay me for sending you over there, and it helps the channel out. So I do appreciate it if you do use that link. Let's talk about the design of this. Now, you see this more of a vertical type case compared to the flat ones that we're used to. It was really, eye-catching at first, and especially when you open it, that is like really cool. I really do like the way when you open this case, it's just something different. Yeah, so that having that cylinder style and then just being able to open it like that is really cool, because if you just have it strapped on your bag, you don't have to worry about going inside your bag looking for your headphones. You can just pull this down and then just get your earbuds. So I really do like this design. It is different, it is cool. So yeah, 2 thumbs up on the design. So when it comes to the design of the earbud itself, it is a bigger earbud than we are used to with Skullcandy. But I will say that if you put the right ear tips and the wings on here, it'll fit really good. Because when I first got it off of default, right when you open the package, it felt like it was too big and I thought I was gonna have a problem. But I switched the ear tips out. As you can see, they're falling because I ended up ripping the paper. But then also, they have different wings as well that go around. So you can switch out the wings and the ear tips and get the perfect size for you. And I haven't had a problem with them since switching. They've been very comfortable. So definitely you want to move those around to get the right comfort, because it is a little bit bulkier than we're used to with, different Skullcandy earbuds. So when it comes to the battery life of this, you're going to be looking up to like 40 plus hours of battery life. You're going to get 9 to 11 off of a single charge in the earbud itself, and then you're gonna be looking up to 32 in the case. So you're gonna get a lot of battery life all day listening with these, so you don't have to worry about them just dying. You're gonna be able to get through the day with these earbuds when it comes to the battery life. When it comes to the waterproof level of this, you're gonna be looking at IPX4. If you see here on the chart, you're gonna be fine with rain and sweat. So if you just want these for working out, or you're gonna be going on in your morning walks or jogs, and you're in a state or country where it rains a lot, you're gonna be covered with the IPX4 on this. They're gonna be good to go. So when it came to the noise canceling on these earbuds, the noise canceling was really good. I did like the noise canceling that it was giving off. So if you do want to block out your environment, you want these for travel, at the gym or anything, you just want to be in your own little world, these are definitely ones you're going to like when it comes to the noise canceling. Also, there's an app inside their Skullcandy IQ app. You can use that and you can adjust the intensity of the noise canceling. So if you really want to block it out or a little bit less, you have that option within their app as well. So when it comes to the sound of these earbuds, I did like the sound a lot. Also, I did like the bass. So if you're a bass lover like me, you're definitely gonna like the bass on these, especially if you use the app. You can go into their app and add the bass boost. You can do that as well. That's what I have mine on. That's what I like. And it does take over the sound a little bit, but still you get a really good bass earbud out of these. So if you do like bass, definitely check these ones out. When it comes to the vocals and the instruments, they are very clear. They work together really well in the default, right out of the box, like I was telling you. The only way it really changes if you use that bass boost mode, and the bass boost will really, take over, a little bit more. So you do get nice, clarity out of these as well, but also good volume. You get nice volume, even with the noise canceling, blocking out the world, they still give you a good volume also, because a lot of products and a lot of brands these days are great noise canceling, and then they bring that volume threshold really low. But not with these, you still get great volume. So I do like that. If you are looking for some nice bass earbuds with great volume and great noise canceling, these are definitely ones you want to check out. And with that sound by Bose, you do kind of hear that sound coming through here with these earbuds, that clarity and that Bose sound that we kind of expect. But it seems like we got that Skullcandy bass, because I've tested a lot of Bose. Bose don't be giving us that bass in earbuds like these do. So if you are a bass lover, check these ones out. I do like these all around because I like the price point at $100 right now on sale. Like I said, the link will be down below. I do like them at this price point. Even at the $130 of what you're getting out of these, it's a really good pair of earbuds without having to get into that $250 and $300 range. So if you're looking to stay in that $100 range, these are definitely ones you want to check out. So there you have it, Buzz. That is the Skullcandy Method 360 noise canceling earbuds. And if you guys like this video, check out some of my other videos right here on screen. And also leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. And I'll see all of you in my next one. Everyone be safe out there. My name is Rodney, and this was Wanna Buy It. Peace.